I've got a Mr. Butter heater, and I've got it connected to a 5-gallon tank. It can be connected to a 20-gallon tank or a 5, either one, with the hose that's made for that. It's a quick connect hose, and there's a quick connect input on these buddy heaters. I don't know if you know that or not, but I'm going to show you where it is, show you how to connect that hose to it, get it started. I've got a little fan that came with a little connector that I'm going to show you how to set it on the heater. So if you like my video that I'm going to share with you today, be sure and click on that like button and subscribe. I've got a lot of things to share with you about different things that we do and cook and just a lot of things. And you'll find out as we go along this journey. But Life on Cedar Ridge is the title of my channel. Right on the left-hand side of the heater, where you would normally put a 1-pound canister there is a quick connect right there. And it's as easy as pie to connect your tank on there right there if you have the right hose. You pull that down, and you know how quick connect works, and you take it right out, and that's your quick connect on this hose. I'll put a link below to show you to show you where I got this. I think I got it on Amazon. Here's what the quick connect looks like. It's right in there, right behind where you would normally put the tank on there, and that is built in to the big buddy. Now let's put that hose on there. And it's that easy to put the quick connect hose on there. And there you have it. They plan for you to be able to use that. So when you close this little door and it snaps in there in place at the bottom, see that little hole? That's where your hose comes out, right at the bottom. It's made for that. And then you've got your heater all set up, and it's connected to your 5 or 20-pound tank, whichever you got. And we're going to turn this on. After we got that connected, that hose comes with a little filter right there on it. And we've got this on here good. We're going to open our tank up all the way. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to light it up. It'd be probably advisable to check your connections with some soap and water first. I'm going to have to see there's no gas in this hose, so don't fear. Push your knob down, click it over. That's only the second time I've clicked it, and it's already feeding the gas to it. If you can see the flame down there. Now I'm holding the knob in, see? It's on pilot, and I'm holding the knob in for about 30 seconds or so. Is what's recommended to keep that, get the pipe full of gas and to get it flowing good. And that's what I'm going to do with that pilot right there. This is connected to a 5-gallon tank. It may look like a 20, but it's a 5. But you can connect it to a 20. And I'm going to let go of the knob up here and then push it down just a little bit and turn it to low. And you'll see that it lights up on the first section, on the left-hand section of this. And that's the way it's supposed to do. And as that's lighting up, I can turn the knob to medium, push it down just a little, And the big buddy has a medium setting on it right there. And I'll set that on medium. Now, if you want the other side to heat up, you turn it to high, and you can see the flame go over there to that, and it'll heat it up. And that's connected to this 5-pound tank that'll run for a long time, a lot longer than the 2 little 1-pound tanks, and probably about 3 times as long. And you can put it to a 20-pound tank if you want to. But that's so neat that this heater has that built in to where you can run that on a quick connect, which if you move your tank around, you got less chance of the hose coming loose because it's on that quick connect, which can swivel around. You know how they operate. My heater has the switch on it right there for the fan, and yours may not. I don't know, mine has it. It's an older fan, but it has the fan built into it, which is nice. It takes 4 D-size batteries. Now I bought rechargeable batteries, and I've got battery backups that I can put those rechargers on if the power's out, so I can recharge them so I don't have to worry about that. But that's the way that works. And that fan, it doesn't blow very fast, but it doesn't have to blow very fast. That's the way you want it. It's just circulate that air a little bit, but it sure is nice to have it because this thing puts out a lot of heat. Now this is that little 4-blade fan that I was talking about that you can order separate. I paid $25 for it on Amazon. I'll give you a link in the description below about this little thing. But mine, I don't know if all of them come with these a little hanger. Mine comes with this little hanger, if you can see that. And you slide that right. You see how that fits on there? It's just a little wire that goes right on the bottom of that. And then what that's going to do, if you can see that, it goes right through there and it comes right on the bottom of it, and then out the back of it, he's got these hangers. You see those hooks right there? What we're going to do, and I've got my heater still going, you can tell the heat's going, so I'm going to put it on live. And what you do, put it right with this little hanger, you put it right under that top bar that's on there, and you set it up there like that, and in about 10 seconds you can tell it's blowing. To me, that's absolutely wonderful, and it just circulates that hot air right off of there, and it's just so easy to do. If you want to take it off, you grab this little handle, you slip it down, and you go right under those, get those little hooks off, and you can take it off. Now you got to watch about being hot and burning your fingers, stuff like that. But see, it's still warm right now, and it's still moving, it's still turning, because it's operated with heat. There's no batteries, no wires. The heat generates a little mechanism in there that makes the fan turn, and it's the neatest little thing. So that's 2 things that we've showed you today about the Buddy heater. Is that quick connect that's already on the heater, and I'll put a link below with the hose that goes to your tank that you can connect on there, and I'll put a link below in the description for this little fan. And so that's what I've got for you today. and I enjoy this little heater. Power's out. You can sit this in the house. I've got a 12-foot hose, but you don't have to get a 12-foot. You can get a 6-foot. But it works really good. So I'm tickled to death about it. And I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it if you like it. Subscribe. I need some subscribers on there, but if I don't get them, it's okay. But I just hope you learned something new from this experience and watching this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.